Kiss, kiss. Oh, do you want to preen the tribble? He's preening the tribble. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna bring them close to the camera. Want to preen the tribble? She's like, what? That is so cute. Oh. Hey, be gentle. Yeah, I felt you pull on that. That's sweet. That was sweet. Yeah. You like the tribble too? But you don't like Captain Mal because he has a scary thunder stick. Nope. Totoro's first loot crate too. I wish they had like a bark box type thing for cockatiels, huh? Because you go through your toys like a car with horrible gas mileage goes through gas. Well, the tribble's a success with Totoro. That's good. Yeah, oh, did you get a piece of fake fur in your face? Yeah, say bye. Say bye-bye. I'm going to turn off the camera now. Okay, say bye-bye. Say, I'm a nerdy birdie. Because I like Star Trek and tribbles. I'm a nerdy birdie. Woo! Nerdy birdie. Bye-bye.